Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will study gastrulation in human. Students, what is gastrulation? Gastrulation is actually second major phase of embryonic development, which is characterized by differentiation of embryonic germ layers. In the process of gastrulation, the embryo is transformed from a hollow ball of cells, which is called as blastula, into a three-layered stage called the gastrula. And process is called as gastrulation, and embryo is called as what? Gastrula. The three layers produced in gastrulation are called as embryonic tissues or embryonic layers or germ layers, which are ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. The mechanism of gastrulation varies somewhat depending on the species. Now I will explain gastrulation, events which occur in the gastrulation. Students, gastrulation process, it starts on the 15th day after fertilization in humans. Main events which occur during gastrulation, they are: number one, the trophoblastic cells, they thicken at one end and they form a mass of cells called inner cell mass. Number two event which occur during the process, that is after embryo it implants itself with that of the uh, endometrium of the uterus, the inner cell mass that grows and splits. As a result, it forms two fluid-filled sacs that are separated by a double layer of cells called the embryonic disc. Student, the upper sac, that is called as amniotic sac, and the lower sac is called as what? That is called as yolk sac. Amniotic sac, that is surrounded by a layer which is called as what? Amnion, and it is filled by a fluid which is called as amniotic fluid. While the yolk sac, that is not filled with yolk in human embryo, because human embryo, it takes its nutrition from the mother's body. Now at this stage, the embryonic disc, that consists of two layers, an upper layer and a lower layer. Student, upper layer is called as epiblast and lower layer is called as what? Hypoblast. Epiblast is actually presumptive ectoderm and mesoderm. Means in future, this epiblast, it forms ectoderm and mesoderm, while hypoblast, which is facing or which is towards the yolk sac, that forms future endoderm. The third main event which occurred during gastrulation, that is cells from the epiblast, cells present in the epiblast in the middle, they start migrating inward. These cells, they form a small streak-like structure which is called as what? Primitive streak. Student, this streak are the cells, those cells which start migrating inward through this streak, they will form future mesoderm. The future mesodermal layer that will be formed by these migrating cells. Now we will discuss fate of germ layers. Ectoderm, which is formed by the epiblast, that is involved in the formation of nervous system and skin epidermis. While mesoderm, that is involved in the formation of skeletal muscles and skeleton. Endoderm that forms digestive system, respiratory system, urinogenital system, and other associated glands. So this is all about gastrulation in human embryo. Thank you, students.